Bona ukuthi ngisebenza ngomthetho mina. Awuvale into zakho sibaba. Uvela amaphoyisa.
Konke iveni lamaphoyisa. Usenalo.
Awu ucaba ukuthi uyadala wena. Awuvale amathimba. Awuvale amathimba.
Angithi sikutshelile kahle.
Wena ubani wena? Wena ubani wena? Wena ubani wena? Ubani wena? Awususela amathimba akho lapha.
Sukuma ndoda, ngeke sikhulume nendoda. Sukuma ndoda.
Ukuthi hamba. Awu. Awuhambe. Awu. Ongasusa into zakhe ngizenza so. Ongasusa into zakhe ngizenza so. Ngicaba ukuthi siyadlala la. Awu.
Izwe selishintshile bafethu, sifuna ukulungisa indaba zethu. Afonela amaphoyisa. Sifuna wona vele amaphoyisa. Ivideo lemfanakisi.
Ematanda, ususela amazimba akho lapha before uzokhabala namaqanda. Susa lento zakho nawo.
Nirelaxile la ithembisa, nirelaxile. Benimasha la. Namba nophakela umthakathi. Manje seniyaqala manje. Nirelaxile nisupporta nayi you safe. Why ningathenge you safe? Why ningathenge you safe? Kunini nisupporta amaPakistani sithi angathengi? Ake sinitshengise ukuthi idate zifika zisendleleni manje.
Ziyafika idate ziyafika. Mphakathi. Sifike kwaSathane ke la. KwaSathane ke la.
Sathane himself.
These are the biggest criminals in South Africa. Chinese.
And that one.
You know why
That
we have
one
the
with the
problem of human trafficking? You know why we have Malawians? The government of Malawi and China, they've got deals. Mind you, these Chinese are building a railway line in Malawi. During the night, they are trafficking the same Malawians to come here. 100% of Malawians are working here who are illegal. It's a fact. And our law enforcers, we expect to go to each and every day. They must be here and raid this place. You must ask yourself if they are complying. Why are these shops closed today? Why are these shops closed today? Because we are not violent. You know why? They don't comply. They bring Malawians nationals here in this country. This place, dala ikuma social media ifeda, ama truck angene ebusuku. Ukanga uthala ishe impahla kanti alayisha abantu bazobadropa la. But our police are turning a blind eye on this place. Look, we are going to camp here. Even tomorrow, it's not going to be business as usual. Even Sunday, it's not going to be a business as usual. Monday, ganjalo, until they hire South Africans. We don't want anything from them. We want them to hire South Africans. They are violating laws of South Africa deliberately. You know why? Comrades of the ANC, comrades of EFF are in collaboration with them. We know them, we can name them. So they think they are protected. But you know, people shall govern. Your time is over. It's not China here. This is South Africa. We are going to comply with the laws of South Africa. Or you must fuck off. If you don't comply with the laws, go back to your country. Because we didn't invite you. You came here claiming to be an investor. Are these shops invested the minimum of 5 million rand as per Immigration Act 13 of 2002?
Money.
Are they hiring South Africans? You see, today we said our old people, they must stay home. We want to show you we've got young people. We've got young people who are going to govern this country. And if you don't comply, these young people, they've got energy. They are not like me. I'm getting old. But now I'm a soldier and I move. And I get cause of a Vimba. These are our young people and they are unemployed. Why do you have harbored criminals here? This is a crime scene. This is a crime scene, and it must be searched until they comply. We want immigration officers here. Labor inspectors, they must be here each and every day. So,
Please, can you stop the intimidation?
Move!
Okay,
Ngaze ngikhulume ukudlula abantu abazolona i-memorandum. No, don't worry about these guns. They must ask the apartheid government. We defeated an apartheid government with a box of matches and petrol.
Yebo.
Don't worry about these guns, because they can't use them. So, Kedas, we're here today. The president will read the memorandum. As funded the memorandum, and then as niggas Commanders, morning.
Morning.
you do realize that the Chinese government issued a statement to the South African Police Service that Chinese like you who don't comply with the laws, they will give them the support. You are disrespecting the laws of South Africa. You know Chinese, are you Chinese? Are you white? Where are you from? South Africa. And you are disrespecting the laws of this country. If you are compliant, why are you not operating today? We hereby caution the management responsible for human resources at your establishment against the employment of illegal foreigners in contravention of Section 49(3) in the Immigration Act 13 of 2002. The reason South Africa is a prosperous country, more especially compared to other African countries, is because of its laws and systems. Overriding those laws in the name of making profit will inevitably collapse the very element which makes South Africa work. As Operation Dudula, we made it our mission to intervene towards the protection of our country against all aspects of illegal immigration, which threatens its economy, security, social welfare systems, and all other pillars which enable our nation's well-being. Section 49(3) in the Immigration Act 13 OD 2002 states the following: anyone who knowingly employs an illegal foreigner or a foreigner in violation of this act, not exceeding 1 year, provided that such person's second conviction of such an offence shall be punishable by imprisonment not exceeding 2 years or a fine, and the third or subsequent convictions of such offences by imprisonment not exceeding 3 years without the option of a fine. Employing illegal immigrants. I want to stress that illegal immigrants, people who come into the borders of South Africa without documents, who are unknown, who are cutting corners, being cheap labor, not only leads to the exploitation of those immigrants, you are exploiting these people. And then you claim we are violating them, we are bullying them. It's xenophobia. The real xenophobia is you. But it also causes the displacement of South Africans from their own country to participate in their economy. Where should South Africans work? Should they go work in Malawi or Canada? South Africans from their own country's labor market, which is part of the reason which such action has been criminalized. It's only simple that you just follow the laws and we all live happily in peace as a rainbow nation. We wish to advise those responsible for this that this crime will no longer enjoy the passivity which has allowed it to be committed with such impunity as to allow the state which we have become aware of in Dragon City, where the staff contingent is composed almost entirely of illegal immigrants. And South Africans are bringing their money here. Don't know why they don't respect their money as well. As Operation Tutula, we demand the following. 1, to receive a response to this memorandum within 72 hours from now. We demand all immigrants who are working in your place to be replaced by South Africans within 72 hours from now. For South Africans to be employed with full labor rights, including minimum wage, which South Africans fought for, being observed. All foreigners must leave Dragon City with assistance from law enforcement. If the above demands are not met, we will return as Operation Tutula again and again and again and again and again in the company of this law enforcement that you take prize from, so as to ensure that those responsible of hiring foreigners in contravention of our Immigrant Act are charged and held criminally liable. So I'm going to sign this, you're going to sign this, you're going to get a copy, and we will be back time and time again. And that's a promise. This is no longer the South Africa that you know from the old days of the ANC and corruption. Can you please add your contact numbers? We'll do it on the other one as well. Your contact number, did you put it? Your work number?
You're welcome to contact me.
Don't you have a telephone number? I mean, a contact telephone number here. Mase sikufuna so besingasafoni. So besingasafoni mandala.
Amanda, away too. Meantime, Basa signing memorandum. I think we must tell them. By the way they exploit people, they don't even want CVs here. They just hire you. So we're going to give them that list with contacts. This Mamela, on a serious note.
You must get a copy.
So, Kedas, memorandum here to be clear. It is Bapa 72 hours. Don't go. You must respond. 72 hours. So it's 72 hours expire nini Sunday. So automatically Monday then that will be clean. Over so Monday. Ni communication about keeping kuma social media. But about fully Monday na Tuesday. Bazovula Monday. Banamanga. Na Monday is called. Na Wednesday is called. But bayovula nge 1. bathi nge-30 abavuli sesilonile communication thina sange sivale itoro fanele sibe clear fanele basitshele yini lento abayifihlayo babavale itoro kanje because basupportwa ama-South Africans so sifuna ukuzoshopa nge-Monday let's hope it's going to mama let's hope on Monday it's going to be business as usual. We want to come here and do shopping on Monday. So please open the shops. And on Tuesday, please. Because we are customers. And we want to see South Africans being hired here. We're not begging. We're demanding what is ours. It's unfair that you continue maximizing profit at our own expense. You have been doing that. The ANC government have been allowing you. Mind you, ANC is left with 13%. No one is going to protect you. Because South Africans are going to govern.
Morning.
What we did to the apartheid regime, we are doing it to the ANC now. If you think somebody from the ANC is going to protect you, you must think again. Think otherwise. We want all these South Africans to come and work here. Even in your construction site. They are saying it's what? Phase 6. We're coming there. We're coming there. We know you've got more than 500 Malawians. And those 110 Chinese who are sleeping inside. So we're coming there. It's not going to be business as usual. We're going to mobilize all South Africans that there's work in South Africa. And indeed, there's work. So please, you must respect us as citizens. You came here, you are a foreigner. You came here and you claim that you are going to invest. So invest in South Africans. Because I don't think somebody who's selling a blanket, it's a critical skill. Immigration Act is saying a foreigner who comes here to work, he or she must possess a rare or a critical skill. So there is nothing critical here which is happening. You've got your salesmen, your bogus salesmen, even your security guards. We're going to come with Sira. We want to see each and everyone is complying here. So it's not going to be business as usual. What we need from you is to comply. Don't do shortcuts here. And you think you will bribe us. We're not going to bribe us. Don't do shortcuts. Do the right thing in South Africa.
These are our people that will be coming with.
You know, our government, Monday, they've invested 600 million for 30 June. While they don't strengthen our borders. So it means our police officials, they are going to be busy on the 30th.
Very busy.
Even the overtime we call now on the 30th.
Exactly.
Because the government is having money to spend on fighting South Africans.
To be against us.
While they bring criminals from Africa. You can't say these people are our brothers and sisters while they are committing crime. They are selling drugs here. They take our employment. They take our jobs.
Our houses.
Huh? They kill our children.
They take our men.
And then you say they are our brothers and sisters.
Never.
Let me tell you, Ubuntu, we have suspended that thing called Ubuntu now. Till further notice. If you want to unite Africa, go and unite it there in Egypt. Start in Egypt. South Africa must be numberless. Because we don't have a place to go. After here, we must go to the ocean. And they were prepared to take you to the ocean. So you must leave our country in peace. Those who are illegal here, you criminals, leave our country in peace, not in pieces.
Peace.
No one is going to intimidate us. We are voters of this country. And they were going to govern.
We are
People shall govern. Commanders, morning.
Morning.
So, Sitini Sbongo, what is your name, Mama? Can you remove that thing? Or you are smelling? Can you remove that thing?
She only likes the money, the black money.
Bafo, Unai.
He's not used to this smell.
Ubani Kamala, ngataka kuluma.
He's not used to this smell, guys.
Yes.
He's not used to use this smell of South Africans.
Hey, wait.
You see the arrogance that you are displaying. You see the arrogance that you are displaying. That's the arrogance that you are getting from these
When I
foreigners.
comply.
She is a foreigner. Mommy, what is your name? My name is Pure Shabangu. Aga kulum English.
Makakhulume. Or umtolikele ke.
Umsebenzi wakhe yini? Uyini? Yeah, but
No,
we are
Mama.
management. We are engaging you.
You want to bring chaos here. You are bringing chaos.
Manje we are stash no more stash.
We want a response. We gave you the names. Are you going to put in these South Africans to come and work and remove the illegal immigrants you are harboring here? That's a response we are waiting from you because we've submitted a memorandum that has got South African names as well. We are expecting a response. You can't be telling us that you are going back inside.
Officer, tell us address. You give us some address.
Hey.
Yes, respond, yeah.
Ena ngasiphi attitude.
That's the management. Management.
Who's the management?
Who gave it to us, but then they
Sohamba naye etha.
Mama lo muntu akakwazi ukuyikhulumela yena.
Boyisa.
Hayi.
Makangakhona ukukhuluma kancane. Makangakhona ukukhuluma bafu. Asitholele umuntu ozoresponda, ozokhuluma nathi okwazi ukukhuluma. Eze la ngoba smooth singakezwa ukuthi kuthiwani. I-72 oseyiqalile kune 2 hours sila. Sele 70 hours.
73 hours.
We need a response. There's a list here. We need a response. These people, they want to work here by tomorrow.
Ene manje sizobuya la uwenze umonakalo. Sizobuya kukhuluma nje nabantu abanyama. Yabo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nabo bobudu balaphana eThembisa baqosha foreigner lelithengisa lapha emgwaqeni bashata indodalo bakhahlela amabhakede alo ukuthi alihambe. They are asking them ukuthi basahlaleleni South Africa because bayeva ukuthi kuthiwa abahambe. You can say just there are people who are nonchalant about this whole thing. They don't change, but we are not going anywhere. South Africans are just playing. But we are strong. Oh, tina sinda. Oh, nje wasabona bayavuka kuseni baqhubeka bawudibhakela namabona labanye bamuka bathi nje bona andizi. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.